So the next step is we're going to change the graphics on this machine. So we're going to remove the top panel, the bottom panel, remove the posters and place the Vending posters. To remove the panels, there's 4 screws on each one, and there's a cable there, and on the bottom there's a cable there. So I'll remove the 4 screws and we'll come back to it. Okay, so we remove the 4 screws, and now we'll just lift it up and take it out. We'll put it on a flat surface over here. And to remove the poster, you just flex the PVC, take it out. It's got 2 sections of PVC. Take out the sheet, and we will put in one of ours. So for the top one, we've got that section. We'll put it in between the 2. Flex it back into the grooves here. And then we'll put it on top. We've done the top panel, and what we do now is just put it in place. And we'll put the 4 screws on, and then we'll do the bottom one.